Introducing the Ro4000R series, engineered for high-frequency performance and cost-effective fabrication. These hydrocarbon ceramic laminates excel in radio frequency microwave circuits and high-frequency applications, offering low loss and compatibility with standard FR4 processes, ideal for engineers seeking reliable, high-performance materials in demanding environments. Ro4000 materials provide low dielectric loss and stable dielectric constant across a wide frequency range, ideal for applications above 500 MHz. The availability of low-pro foil further reduces insertion loss, making these materials perfect for broadband applications, ensuring optimal performance in high-frequency environments. Ro4000 series materials exhibit a thermal coefficient of expansion, CTE, similar to copper, ensuring excellent dimensional stability. The low Z-axis thermal coefficient of expansion guarantees reliable plated through-hole quality, even under severe thermal shock. These materials maintain stable expansion characteristics across the entire processing temperature range, crucial for high-frequency applications requiring precision and reliability. Ro4000 laminates are processed using standard FR4 techniques, eliminating the need for specialized via preparation like PTFE materials. They are compatible with automated handling and scrubbing equipment, enhancing fabrication efficiency. This compatibility ensures seamless integration into existing manufacturing processes, offering a cost-effective solution for high-frequency applications. Ro4003C and Ro4350B laminates deliver superior electrical performance. Ro4350B features restriction of hazardous substances compliant flame retardant technology, meeting Underwriters Laboratories 94V0 standards. Both materials conform to Institute for Printed Circuits 4103 requirements, ensuring reliability in high-frequency applications. These configurations provide engineers with robust solutions for demanding radio frequency and microwave circuit designs. Ro4000 materials excel in high-frequency applications like cellular base station antennas, radio frequency identification tags, and automotive radar. They are also ideal for low-noise blocks in direct broadcast satellites, offering low dielectric tolerance and low loss, ensuring superior performance and reliability in demanding environments. Ro4000 series materials provide controlled impedance transmission lines and repeatable filter designs, crucial for high-frequency applications. Their low thermal coefficient of dielectric constant ensures excellent dimensional stability, making them ideal for volume manufacturing. Additionally, they are conductive anodic filament resistant, enhancing reliability in demanding environments. Ro4000 series materials are offered in standard thicknesses and panel sizes, with electro-deposited copper foil cladding. Non-standard thicknesses are available upon request, providing flexibility for specific design needs. This ensures adaptability in high-frequency applications, supporting engineers in achieving optimal performance and design precision. Ro4000 series materials offer high-performance and cost-effective solutions for high-frequency applications. They are suitable for diverse applications with stable electrical and thermal properties. For more information and support, contact Rogers Corporation.